Group accounts for consolidated reports in action. Group accounts are used to categorize accounts into logical groups, such as assets, liabilities, income, or expenses, to streamline multi-entity consolidated reporting. The easiest way to create a group of accounts or account roll-ups is by selecting G-Accon for Xero, Tools, Group Accounts. This will allow you to define custom account groupings, which you can then use in your consolidated reports. The first step in creating a group of accounts is to select the organizations. The next step is to create a group name. You can quickly find the needed account by specifying the type of account, such as expenses. Start selecting the accounts that need to be included in this group from all entities. Once all required accounts are selected, click the Create button and the group of accounts will be created. Now, you are ready to generate the consolidated report, which includes group accounts or roll-ups. Click on Extension. To generate the consolidated reports with account roll-ups, you need to select G-Accon for Xero. Get Accounting Data Reports, Formatted Consolidated Reports. Select the currency in which your consolidated report will be generated and choose the required organizations. Open the drop-down box and choose a report from the provided list. Next, select Group Accounts using the Group Accounts feature by choosing the newly created group or creating a new one. Before generating the consolidated report in Google Sheets, follow these steps to organize and customize it. Add a last updated timestamp for clarity and version tracking. Highlight negative values in red for quick visual identification. Insert the company logo, white label, on the cover page and reports. Apply your company's theme and brand colors to ensure consistency. Make additional customizations such as borders, font styles, and formatting to enhance readability and presentation. Finally, the report is generated. You can see that the group accounts are included in this consolidated report. Get started with G-Accon today. Thanks for exploring. You've learned how to group your accounts and use them while generating a consolidated report in Google Sheets. Try out the application and experience powerful automation, reporting, and dashboard features firsthand. Register for our live demo and take your reporting to the next level.